at the Disneyland Hotel. So I figured I would show you. It's kind of unique.
It is very unique.
Our room setup.
It is.
We just have a standard view room in the Frontier Tower, I believe.
Yes, Frontier.
We are in room
2491.
2491.
2491.
2491.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you our room.
Yeah.
So this is where you come in the front door, and there is a Bob. But look, our room has fireworks carpet. So that's kind of cool.
Very plush, too.
And we have a split bathroom, which was interesting. Never had this before. So here is one side on the right. We have La Toilette and a Mickey light and the shower with a Mickey, you know, handle kind of thing. This is a tub shower. I believe there's a light there. And on the other side of the hallway is the sink.
The sink.
So that's kind of interesting. So single sink, Mickey handle lamps, one on each side, and a little Mickey handle, faucet handles. This is an adjoining door. So I don't know what's on the other side, but something else. And this is a closet. You've got an ironing board, safe, extra pillow and blanket in there. And then you come through here, and we have 2 queen beds and a Kaya. There's some reading lights, some cool retro artwork of Walt.
That is not, I would not say retro, ma'am.
Yeah, it is. It's an old picture.
But it's like,
Yeah, that's an old retro. That's like in the 50s.
Retro.
Because it was in the 50s.
Because it was in the 50s. That's Walt.
That's 1950.
See? Hi, Walt.
Hello.
Hi, Walt.
Walter Elias Disney.
This is the headboard, which is the coolest part. There's Mickey right there. Yay! So these are elevated beds. You can scooch your luggage underneath. Just one table in the center. And then no table over here. We do have a lovely parking lot view. But that is okay. That building right over there, that is the DVC building, where you go to preview Disney Vacation Club stuff. And then we have...
we bought our Disney Vacation
That
Club.
is where we bought our Disney Vacation Club. There's a chair, a TV, and right here, I assume, is the refrigerator. Yes, there's a fridge, Keurig coffee maker, little coffee pods, ice bucket, some drawers. These are 3 drawers, and another little table, and a cute little Mickey lamp. Hello, Mickey!
They have like the Mickey, yep, they have Mickey hand
They
lamps in the
do.
bathroom.
So what do you think of the room? I think it's cute.
I like the Disneyland Hotel, that's why we pay the extra bucks.
Yeah, I like it too. It's very cozy,
It is.
I think.
And I'm not even upset about the view.
No, I could care less about the view. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there
So-
we are. That's our room.
Waiting on our luggage.
Yeah.
Luggage.